Hello everyone, I'm Sardar Zahid, PhD candidate at North Dakota State University, majoring in transportation and logistics. I'm here to tell you about my research titled Green Supply Chain Management Practices and Determinant Factors, a quantitative study on small and medium enterprises using structure equation modeling. When I was working in an institute which was located near industrial area, sometimes the environment gets so contaminated and air smells like chemical and it becomes harder to breathe outside. And I was always wondering, is the industrial growth and production can only be possible on the cost of natural environment? So this led my interest to this area. The overall objective of my dissertation was to investigate the SME's involvement, the level of SME's involvement in adoption green supply chain management practices and determinant factors such as external pressures in terms of foreign pressure and domestic pressures and internal factors in terms of organization culture, cost pressures, and human resources. We have also investigated the mediating role of internal factors. After conducting the exploratory and confirmatory factor analysis, we came up with the scale having 3 dimensions: proactive environment management, having multiple items such as use of environment-friendly source of energy, ecological greening, and compliance greening also has multiple items such as process to reduce solid waste. Our result shows that the SMEs in Pakistan are at initial stage of adopting green practices in their supply chain with overall score of 3.13 on a scale 1 to 5. The compliance greening attained the lowest average score. The results can be interpreted as companies in developing economies are less likely or less motivated to adopt or to comply with environmental law and regulations. So there is a need of aggressive enforcement of these laws and regulations in developing economies. Moreover, our results also confirm that the internal factors completely mediate the relationship between external pressure, both domestic and foreign, and adoption of green supply chain management practices. In our model, the only indirect path between foreign pressure to domestic pressures, to internal factors, to green supply chain management practices, to adoption of green supply chain management practices was statistically significant and positive, which reveals that the internal factors deems most important in shaping the supply chain into environment friendly and sustainable. Thank you very much.